What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day here in Pittsburgh. Finally got some nice weather, and today we're working on the work truck. I just replaced this shock, used a Monroe Gasmatic. These shocks on these trucks are really easy. This is a 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 heavy duty. So I just finished this one up. I'm gonna go around the other side and show you guys the process, but it's really easy. I just this is the old one. Looks like it's, you know, really old. There's some type of clunking going on up here. So I'm just gonna start with the shocks. I'm gonna do the ball joints next, then the steering components. But got the new shocks in. It's really easy. I just cut the top off. I'll show you when I do the other side, but this bolt was extremely rusty. Where is it? Right here somewhere. Right here, this guy. I didn't think that I could get it off, so I just went and cut it off right here with my grinder here. I'll show you guys on the other side, but yep, this is it. Super easy to install these. It cost me $100 for two, and this truck was way overdue for it. So I'm gonna throw this tire back on, drop the truck, and we'll start working on the other side, and I'll see you guys then. Okay, so we got the tire off. There's Luna over there. But we got the tire off. So we gotta just take out this bolt right here and this one right here. But like I said, that one's really rusty. So I think the best bet is just to cut it off. And it might come off. Let me try it. Okay. Looks like it's gonna come out. Maybe that'll work. Okay. So now we can actually focus on taking the bottom one out now. It's a lot easier. And there, on that side, it's a size 22. That way when we start on doing this one, it won't just spin. So yeah, we gotta take this guy out. I believe it's size 22. Okay, we do need to save this bolt. They don't give you an extra one, so save this. Now this shock is ready to come out. Just remove this guy. Just pull it out, it comes right on out, just like that. This is the old shock. definitely not very good. Like, if you compress it like I just did, it's staying stuck like that. So it was definitely time to redo these shocks. Let me get the new one. So here's the old one, here's the new one. This new one, if you push in and compress, it pushes back immediately. So I wasn't sure if the shocks were bad or not, but now after changing them, they are definitely bad. Okay, so this is the Monroe Gasmatic. Like I said, I picked this up at Amazon for like 45 bucks a piece. It was 100 bucks total for both. They give you 2 rubber washers and 2 metal washers. One's gonna go, you know, 2 like that, 2 like this on the bottom. So you want the rubber to be touching this part. So this and this, just like that. You need to apply a lot of pressure downwards to get this in here. So first, we're just gonna put this bottom bolt on. Get that in there. Okay. So you got that bottom one on. You just hand tighten the bolt for now. Okay, now for this top one, it's gonna be the same. You want this rubber washer to be touching this metal part, because you want the nut to be pushing this washer down. Put the rubber on. Now you want to tighten this until the metal washer is the same size as the rubber one. Okay. See how this rubber is flush with this metal part up top? That's how tight you want it. And then we're going to tighten this one down here. And we're just going to tighten her down. There we go. Throw the tire back on, and she'll be all good. All right, guys, got both the new shocks on. Looking good. Way better than them old rusty ones. I haven't taken it for a drive yet, but I'm assuming that it's gonna ride better. And yeah, guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I'll give you a little update. I sold the 2014 Chevy Silverado. I plan on bringing something else onto the channel real soon, but it was just time. I have a lot of stuff to do to this truck. I mean, I have tons of projects and upgrades to do, and I'm thinking about getting a Suburban, something along the lines of a Suburban, maybe a Tahoe, Yukon, I'm not sure yet. But The other truck is gone. That's the only truck right now. I also, oh, sorry for the wind, hold up. I also am thinking about buying a quad. Might get a Can-Am, not sure. But yeah, some big changes happening here on the channel. But just wanted to tell you guys that the 2014 Silverado is officially gone. And I got lots planned for this truck. Actually, one of my next videos, I'm gonna install cruise. This is one of the only things about the truck that I didn't notice when I bought it, is it doesn't have a cruise control. And this little dim light here, that should be here today. Probably end up doing both of those in one video. But yeah, guys, this truck's come a long way already, and I got a lot more to do to it. Looks like it's gonna be a really nice work truck for me. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I got all dirty, a little bit of bloody. It's actually a really easy project. Took me like probably an hour total to do both sides, and that's clean up, take out everything, hour total. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. Really helps me out, helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.